Hello, hello. So I'm recording this. It's this week's accountability. I have not gotten any TikTok sales yet. We are at around $1,400 profit. Sorry, $4,500 profit this August so far. So probably we're gonna be around, I don't know, 6,000 total. It's okay. I'm happy. I'm thankful to God. Thank you, God, to have this what we have. But of course, there's so much more to do. Here you can see our ROI is not too bad. The profit is not too bad, generally speaking. But it's nothing to... Anyways, I want to give more service. I want to be more useful in this society. So this to me feels like a very small thing. Even though I'm thankful, I'm very happy that it is there and I'm getting good reviews on many books. Some books less than ideal, but other books it's doing pretty well. Okay, now what did I want to say? So yesterday I did a lot of music. Of course, that's the Saturday for music day. I've spent already around $1,000. I got a nice microphone right here. There you go, boom. And I've been singing a little bit. There's a lot more things that I'm doing currently, but yesterday was music day, singing, learning chords. I can build chords now. They sound good, so that's nice. And let's see what else we did. The day before yesterday was annoying because I was trying to set up this thing called, like I'm trading with a bot that I just put my money in, and it was so hard, man. So much KYC, so much problems just to move the money around. It's horrible, like absolutely horrible. But I think it's figured out now because I made like $1,000 extra on, I don't know, $4,000 over 3-4 months. But anyways, I've been putting all my effort into this new book that's gonna go up for TikTok because that's the most exciting thing, and that's where I'm putting all my effort. I'm testing the covers. The last week basically has been that, setting up the book chapters and the journal pages and everything that comes with that. So that was that for yesterday. Then before that, this week, it's been very fun because the Polish flat, I don't know if you remember, guys, but I have a Polish flat, and basically what happened is, like, we got so many calls, like so many people wanted to rent this. It's the right season, of course, and it's crazy, but like we had like 30 people coming to visit the apartment, and one person already wants to take it. So I just raised the price to a crazy price, just because I'm thinking I don't want to get so many calls. But if you don't remember, I'll show you how it looks. Here we go. If you do not remember, there we go. As you can see, it's a beautiful flat, and my tenant made a post on Facebook and it got like 400 likes and so many people are coming to visit. Anyways, one person already agreed to take it. Of course, the price is good and they want to go fast, so that was good. I'm gonna also pay the tenant something because she helped me with this. It's worth it for me because I don't take any calls. She just organized everything. Now the person is just ready to pay the deposit and move in. Awesome. So that saved a lot of time. Of course, I posted this, but it's okay. A little bit hassle doesn't hurt me. Also, I was on a little date and I realized I just don't need to and don't want to go on dates with a person I'm not like very attracted to. So that was a good lesson. Just skipped the rest of the routine. Why spend more time? Just basically, I kind of was like, hey, listen, it was awesome. Let's drink up, and I need to go to a meeting. And I did. So I just went. But yeah, solved some problems with TikTok and stuff. So yeah, fixing my sleep schedule so I wake up a bit earlier every day. That's been that. And I also realized I don't need a doctor to review this book that I'm putting on for TikTok unless it sells. If it sells, okay, we'll get the doctor and we'll approve it. But for now, it doesn't feel very, like it's not the pain right now. It's not the thing to move, the needle. Yeah. Went to some cafes also to work, but I realized it's just not worth it. I work so much better at home. I love my office. It's so good. My gym, my office, everything. I love it here. All right. Also, I've been going through and doing the validation methods that I learned from one of my coaches, which I think is going to be very helpful because I've been lacking. I think this is one of the engines is making my Amazon progress slow because I didn't understand proper keyword research. And now I think I do slightly better. So that's amazing. I love that. Yeah, came up with some layouts for the new book. Again, all my focus is on like the design of the product of the new book, which I think is the highest leverage. You know, make the design good, make the chapters good, the questions good, everything just like so good. Make everything perfect, right? Uploaded like the next 20 to 30 TikTok videos, still no sales, but it's okay. You know, been doing that. I outsourced the Amazon ads. It's going okay, it seems. So at least my mind is not split, so they can just handle that. Yeah, giving some feedback to my freelancers. I feel like they're working very good. Generally speaking, they're getting faster, and yeah, just handling more stuff that I wouldn't have time to do myself. So that's pretty nice. Yeah, scheduling these TikTok videos takes like 2-3 hours every time. So at some point I'll outsource that too. But yeah, anyways, the title is done, the subtitle is done, the cover is pretty much done, the layout is getting done now. So after that, I just launch it. So the TikTok book, I'm very excited about. I'm gonna launch that very soon. So this was an idea that came to me last Saturday or Sunday, and I've already pretty much we're close to launch because I think this is the right way to do it. Like good validation, good keyword research, good title, good subtitle, everything just like step by step, right? So that should be good. I'm happy for that, and yeah, it's a little bit of a random thing, but I believe it's gonna be good. Yeah, and last Sunday we also went to this concert with my friend who's here visiting me. It was pretty nice. Anyways, that's it for now. For next week, the highest leverage will be to launch the TikTok book, get the reviews, get everything, and yeah, go as fast as possible, push it, and then do some more validation. And I really want to hire a manager to push a few books forward at the same time, which would allow me to put more time on TikTok kind of books, right? And TikTok video creation. So that's nice. Anyways, that's it for now. Have a good day. Bye bye.